All right, if you clicked on this link, it means you're a little bit lost on how to answer question 3, and that would carry over to 4 and 5. So here's a little bit more explanation. So I've already written out the equation for number 3. It's the same thing here and here. It says if I want to make a system that was very good at producing ammonia, so we want to do things that'll make the concentration of this go up. What conditions could I change to make sure the system continued to make NH3? All right, so Le Chatelier's principle says if you have a system at equilibrium and you stress it, the equilibrium will shift to relieve that stress. So one of the things that I could do, I could increase the amount of H2 or I could increase the amount of N2. Both of these additions would cause the equilibrium to shift to produce more products. So one of the things I could say here is I add more nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, now another thing that would be useful. This says that there is heat on the right side. So what that means is this reaction, as it goes towards the NH3, it gives off heat. The best way to do that then, to create as much NH3 as possible, is to remove the heat, or I can cool the system. If I cool the system, the equilibrium will shift to produce more heat or more of the products. Okay, then finally, these are all gases. I'll have to edit that because it probably didn't say it in the problem. All right, since there are 4 moles on the left and 2 on the right, another change I can do is I can increase the pressure. If I increase pressure, according to Le Chatelier's principle, the system will shift to the side with the smaller number of moles. Since NH3 is on the side that is smaller, if I increase the total pressure, I will produce more product. So in summary, I can increase the amount of N2 and H2 present. That would produce more NH3. I could cool the system. That will cause it to want to produce more heat. That would produce more NH3. And I could increase the pressure. That would also increase the amount of NH3 produced. Hopefully that will help you answer question 3. Obviously it should, because I gave you the answers. Questions 4 and 5 dovetail off of that, so hopefully you can work through those now as well.